So hi, I just want to give a quick demo of what I do when I start a Google Hangouts on air. So for the social media strategy class, so basically on Google Plus, I go to the Hangouts link in the drop-down menu under the Google Plus logo, and then from there I can click on Hangouts on Air, and then I click Create a Hangout on Air. The name I'm going to give it is going to be relevant to whatever I'm doing. There you go. And then I click Later. I set when the Hangout's going to start and how long it's going to run for. And then I can decide who the audience is. So in this case, it's not going to be public or extended circles. It's going to be my social media strategy community. So these are at the top. The ones at the top are circles. The ones at the bottom are communities. So this one here is the one I want. and then I'm going to also add Eric Qualman. There you go. And then once I'm done with this, I'm just going to click Share. And because I selected the community, it's going to become an event in that specific community. So I'm just going to click Share real quick. So now basically once I've created the event, you see these are the people who have been invited. So a lot of people have not responded yet, and it's been shared with the community that's called SM Strategy 15. So basically at this point, there's two ways to access this event and access that page. This is where viewers are going to go to actually see the video, the live video and the recording. So that specific URL that you have in that browser is something that you want to keep track of. But it's also going to be available from the community. So in our case, I'm going to go to the social media strategy community for 15S, and then you see that there's an announcement that has been added for the Hangouts on Air. But if you go to the events section in that community, you're also going to see that event. So you can also access that same page from the events. So that's where it happens. Then when I'm ready to start, as the person who actually created the Hangouts on Air, I have that start button. So I can just click start, and then that's going to start the actual Hangout. I'm not going to do it right away, but that's basically the process. Once I'm in the Hangout, then I just, if people have a hard time finding the event, then I just re-invite them from within the actual Hangout. But that's pretty much it. That's how I actually start those Hangouts.